staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Bless you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, and be great. Another one. Morning, guys. Is this my new video spot? Because the lighting's kind of nice. Today I'm going to be joining my mother-in-law and her mother for a massage at the new Grand Hotel at Grand West. And tip of the day is this little sample Irresistible by Givenchy. Okay, so I struggle to get anything out of here. I don't know if there's not much in here or if this thing is not working, the pump, but I don't think there's much in here. This is so annoying. Mom's going now. Going to run a bit. Come. Let's run. Let's run, Mama. Come on. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Just another quick spritz of water all over here again. I do it like multiple times in the day. Take the clothes off.
Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Icing to the water because I'm leaving now. The water because I'm thirsty now after taking the washing down. So on, but
My fate, yeah, please just blow this flame away. And I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
stunning, girl, stunning. Guys, I'm loving my hair. I can only wash it in 3 days time. I did the micro keratin treatment, actually really good. And even though my eyes burned, it didn't burn as it usually does when I go to other salons, so that was nice. Kind of smell like Nivea blue bottle. I was supposed to meet my friend today. I can't tell you who. My bestie. I'm joking. So my bestie, actually my son. And I asked him if I can carry a tray for his wedding, and he said no, I'm an old lady. But anyway, I can't mention his name for whatever reason, his or her name. But I had to cancel twice today. Imagine the guilt in my body, because I'm just a very guilty person. I just feel guilty for everything. But anyway, we were gonna go to the airport and then have supper and buy food for work, but Gideon just ordered food for work, and I just have to make a sandwich in the morning. I made Gideon shake now, so that's good. I don't know if I'm hungry because I had like biscuits and tea when I got home because I was hungry then. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you had a good day. I loved my day. Even though I went for a massage and had my hair done, it's still very tiring. I think it's because the sun makes me very tired, and I was driving in the sun. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm loving these NARS products on my face. It's just giving. But I'm gonna maybe do that in tomorrow's video. Okay. If I have nothing on, I just have like a few errands to run, then I'll be free. Then I'm gonna, ooh, look at that bread. I love bread. Bye.